Let's have a look at some of the features and techniques you'll need for beautiful shots of night scenes. For quick and easy night photography, try using scene modes. Rotate the mode dial to scene. And choose a scene mode using the main command dial. Select Night Landscape. In the Night Landscape scene mode, the camera automatically adjusts shutter speed, aperture, and ISO sensitivity for optimal exposure at night while keeping image noise and false colors to a minimum and vividly capturing such light sources as streetlights and neon signs. When photographing portrait subjects against a backdrop of night scenery, try using the Night Portrait scene mode. Night Portrait mode beautifully captures both the portrait subject and the background. You can use the built-in flash to light the portrait subject for even better results. A tripod is recommended if blur is a concern or precise framing is required. Enjoy night photography with scene modes.